We've got 535 people competing on the lake. We've got 18 local teams and 7 visiting teams, and that actually makes this event bigger than the Victorian State Finals for dragon boating.
Everyone's come down and having a good time, and it's just great for socially for work as well. So
It's really so well organised and lots of fun, and people are so friendly. It's just great.
Come join us.
Come join us.
The community fund that have organised it have done a lot of stuff for our school in the past and a lot of things around the GV, so we thought we'd support their event, and it's a good thing to get out to and join in.
Well, it brings everybody together, and that's lovely. Yeah.
It's been a great day so far. I think everybody's really enjoyed it.
It's going great. We are a very competitive team, and we've been very successful in our first heat.
It was a really good event last year, so we thought we'd have a go again.
Very happy to be here today. It's a great day. Great day.
Just all being together on the water, and just that big adrenaline rush for the 30 seconds or whatever it takes to get from start to finish. And getting across the line at the end. And it's a lot of fun.
I think the teamwork and getting everybody involved and just having a good time and supporting the community.
And we've won.
I do like the camaraderie that people are having in their teams, but I think like most people, you love the lion dancing. I just love that. It's cute, they're great, it's really athletic, it's been a wonderful part. It's a great ceremony.
I'd really just like to thank the community for getting behind the event, for throwing their hat in the ring and putting a team in. You know, there's all shapes and sizes, there's all ages, and it just goes to show that you don't have to be an elite sports person to participate and have fun. So it's a fantastic way to get out, get fit, enjoy the community, and we're really grateful for people who've supported us.
Fantastic.